Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Bluetooth device name setting. How can we check in our Lava phone? Guys, we want to check your Bluetooth device name. So friends, how can you check in your Lava phone? In this video I will show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So first of all guys, you will have to turn on guys your phone setting to check your Bluetooth device name. So friends, you can see second option is connected device setting. Friends, tap here. And friends, now how can you check your Bluetooth device name? So friends, you can see pair new devices, tap here. Friends, you can see your device name setting. Friends, you want to rename this device name, you can rename from here guys. So like that guys, you can check your Bluetooth device name, and guys you can use your phone Bluetooth setting from here. You want to connect any device, you can connect, and guys you can use from here. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends.